Yo, Mulibwanjiba Zambia, welcome back, man. I'm back with another reaction, back in a new channel. This channel is just gonna be for entertainment, okay? So it's just gonna be only entertainment, and that's all you're gonna get on this one. And it's gonna be African entertainment. And yeah, although I could talk a little bit of what happened. So obviously, if you are from Zambia, you know this. But if you are not from Zambia and you're a fan of Mikey 2, maybe you don't know this. Or maybe this is your first time, you're like, yo, there's an artist called Mikey 2. Yes. And he is now going politics, man. Going political. That's the right way. It's exciting. I don't know. Like from what I've seen on Facebook, you guys are excited that he's diving into the political space and he has your support. And a lot of people are like, "Yo, we're gonna move just to vote for you wherever you are." So that was a good response. I think it will give him courage to, like, I guess, pursue this even seriously. If he just thought maybe he can just try test the waters. Anyway, that's all I'm going to say about this. But I'm going to be talking about him politically on the other channel. That is now mainly about politics. So, yeah. This Luapula province. That seemed like Tswana for a little bit. That's Luapula. Does that Pula means rain? In Tswana, it's also like a currency, but it means rain. So let me know if you're from Zambia. Does that Pula mean rain? Or yeah, that province could be a Silozi province. So I don't know. Anyway, let's get to it.
Ladies and gentlemen, it's that 10 of 10 All-Star edition.
Hey, edition.
Nakula nomba NAIMWENA alamwandi NAIMWENA nakula nomba NAIMWENA mami NAIMWENA alamwandi NAIMWENA.
It's a beautiful video.
NAIMWENA ichichalo kukosa ichichalo kukosa.
Ada utudu na yena ninjito ya maka na wikala vyeweka wadaba wadulumuka ichiwe no bomba bati chile kunguluka wanu mazilo takwa yali butuka wana lefanga baipika shalula mayonga takwete saladi kumusalula yamana mwene mweshilu kumusalula nomba na vipena nipwe tuliko twakula sakunda kulo mwene ile panga sensapa ninyo kudisho lupalo selanji paka sapa hata na yena life tayalile zakalia wale nchina fyo zuvilo ni zakaali
okelero na pili pa waisalo siliso ufunika ukose kutise kuketo ene jina kale chifa kila komo wamakamba kale mango tepira pamo by the sky so the limit is over sakuchinge everything is possible tulukusha bike kalamuloki pati mabine pisha tapafuke chushivo inga palalesa yenze okakana kumbuye ku no wonder bine ili yosa selemi do what you see here it is a dream come true I'm on your legendary market too louder.
Whoa, okay, he said something that I understood there. Let's see if I can translate for you guys. He said,
no wonder what you see here it is a dream come true. I'm all over your legendary market too.
What you see here is dream come true. I got that. Everybody got that. He said something about God and Mikey too. Did God open the door for him to work with Mikey too? Okay. That was bad. I thought I could translate, but I couldn't.
NAIMWENA alamwandi NAIMWENA nakula nomba NAIMWENA mami
NAIMWENA
alamwandi NAIMWENA ichichalo kukosa
Zambia Kuchalo. Hey, I love this genre, man. I feel like this is a different version of Amapiano, but it's specific to Zambia. I don't know. and I feel like they do it as well in Malawi, which is like, you know, no brainer. But it's a different genre on top of another genre, because yeah, it's a vibe.
Chichichalo kukosa.
Yeah, that's beautiful.
Papa, mama, you the best. Abba first take a minute to appreciate. How did you manage to make me feel rich? Hello ninshi mwalelu shafe mungu chushi.
China kuko za mwaliso sa na leo mfafenga kalimbusha apa mapulesha ya mbushe shila mbeko chide chonshi tushisha.
Yo, this is beautiful. So let me know in the comment section you guys from Zambia, because this might get to 10 out of 10. Are this like artists that are like on the grind, but they are not like nationwide for some reason, and now Mikey 2 is trying to like push them to go countrywide, nationwide, worldwide, Kuchalo and all the things, because wow, man, this is amazing. Hey. Hey.
Mamuch kwa shiklina wa kutoi pano yari kawata inkola nangu nanwa moi apana muvunga nindembika sigineche iplane yari che mbona kwa chishesha ila vale sunka na leti kavwa mbena leti masangala nomba yari kavapa nine sunka wele saso dambe from Monday to Sunday machushi yari kala na leti la fya musamwe nomba pano NAIMWENA no kufoya patikeme ne kavushika njicheme ili nakula na lipapa na babita from motivation of speaker to a quitter.
NAIMWENA, alamwandi NAIMWENA. NAIMWENA, nakula nomba NAIMWENA, mami. NAIMWENA, alamwandi NAIMWENA. NAIMWENA, chichichalo kukosa. Chichichalo kukosa.
Avutanotaisa ngamena mukana wala abanobe bale bumbuku wala ulala ngona fabya kupangika funya bafya mawala mali bana sana kupanga machikina isala italo tali kosa wika bunda kwa modeni ine chapili popo muli nyari kwa disho nyari sondela kawali na moja ishi bekajo talo semunefwa kubasana keya poli mochi wala tunga kwa kwa mutembo na kuba kumune kembo mamba chaka lupa jola tinya kwa misanga bale bonze bale kuseko katangu katinondo
wepa kila fita yalila kamwale mbusha kachelo we mwana buka kulomon emashi mwale nje baka ukubo mwaume kukosa apanoma mfacing in reality amawe muli daga yena
facing reality
ila kosa di mopako viko muna nipate bonasi kama si Luapula ebo na chetekela hati bakangafa badi mbutuka bakesanga fanga nafwa wale nchinga ni jile sale pala ukubo mwaume
yeah, it's a beautiful one, beautiful video, and Mikey 2 doing the chorus.
NAIMWENA, chichichalo kukosa. Chichichalo kukosa.
Yeah, beautiful. Big up to Mikey 2, man. And I feel like
even more.
I don't know how long has he been planning to go political, but this is one of the things that is going to make people vote for him, because he has done the work, you know, he has done the dirty work before he got to the office. So yeah, big up to Mikey 2 for bringing all this other artists. For honestly, like I'm saying, I have never seen this artist before, so I guess whatever he is doing is working, because here I am reacting to this artist and I am enjoying each and every one of them because they are super talented. So yeah, Zikomo Kwambiri for your support. If you are here for the first time on this brand new channel, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell too so you don't miss any of the uploads on this channel, and then hit that like button. It is for the algorithm. See you guys on the other side.